Hello, my name is Kimberly Holcomb, and this week I will be discussing the Twitter REST API. I decided to go with Twitter because I'm interested in learning more about Twitter and how I can use it in future sites. I'll be discussing the description and features of the Twitter API, what JSON and AJAX really are, how it is used, and what is incorporated, and how it all ties in together at the end. The Twitter API allows developers to incorporate different widgets such as buttons and other features into the website that they're building. Although there are two different APIs you can use for Twitter, I will be discussing the REST API tonight. The REST API seems to be the less streaming one. Although you are able to read tweets from others that are associated with the website if that's what you want. You can post your own tweets. You can look at profiles to follow more. You can follow people, and you can do much more. JSON and AJAX are the main keys behind the successful use of an API. To make it easy, AJAX sends out the request for the information. JSON is the format in which it comes back in. And in the Twitter API, JSON is primarily used for the response that is sent back, and that is used to pull the information to the website itself. In the photo above, I used the REST API console to get to try to figure out how it was working. On the left, you can see that it is a request to pull the information from the site. You can see that this is a request by the word of get at the top. It's partially cut out, I apologize. You can then see that it's calling for the user timeline using the user ID and the screen name, which I put in my information for those. What would happen is you would then copy the get format at the end and paste it behind the https://api.twitter.com, and this is supposed to pull the information for you to be used in the response, which is on the right hand side. As you can see at the bottom, you can see there are errors, and this is just like a JSON file that we used for the weather application this week. It has the errors, and inside that you can see an array which contains the code and the message that the errors what the error is. I appreciate your time, and I hope that this helps you understand more about the Twitter API.